Hello beautiful people, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Today I have another yummy recipe I want to share with us, especially for the mothers and mom to be in the house. Please add spices to your kitchen, add spices to your food, add this to your food menu. You will enjoy it, I tell you the truth. So let's hit it straight away. First thing we'll be needing is our golden morn. Yes, so many homes today they can't do without golden morn, so I think golden morn is one of the easiest thing you can get. Okay, so let's use golden morn for this. You can use oats if you want, white oats. Then another thing is our apple, red apple, yellow apple, green apple, but I prefer green apple today, so choose your choice. Another thing is my dates. You have to deseed dates and wash it with hot water before it gets to this stage, and then have glass cup of yogurt. Yummy. I wish you can give this a trial. I tell you, you will enjoy it. Okay, I'm gonna add quarter cup for now, then I'll come back later to add the complete one with other thing that will be following it. So after adding it, I'm gonna add half cup of warm water. It may not be up to half cup. You know why? I'm gonna be adding according to what I want. I want it to be thick. I want it to come out thick. Okay, so I'm gonna add quarter cup of warm water. Well, do you know why I'm adding warm water? I need it to melt the golden one and also the date. So I preferably use warm water for this. Don't use cold water, just use warm water. Alright, so when you're done with it, please stir it. You have to turn it and bury the dates. You need it to be more soft. You need it to be, very, very soft. So that when blending it, it will come out yummy. So darling friends, that is not enough. If you love what you are doing here, please give us a thumbs up, yes, and don't forget to subscribe if you're to. So I'm gonna add up the remaining yogurt. That's what I did right now. I'm just preparing these 2 cups for dinner. I'm not the only one taking it anyway. If you want to know who will be taking this, just follow me. I will tell you. You will see them. Yeah, that's wonderful. We are done adding. Then add your banana. Banana can be getting from anywhere, from the market. You can order it. So add your banana to it. That's perfect. Stir it and allow it to stay for a few minutes. You know why we are still allowing it? So that it can melt more. Okay, then add your avocado pear. Yes, add the avocado pear. Some people don't like taking this, but when you blend it like this, you won't even know when you consume all. That's why you need to combine everything. Then the last thing I'll be adding is half cup of milk. Yummy, right? Wow, some people have started salivating. Please just blend and serve. Wow, have you seen it? It's come out neat, come out good. You can see it there. I'm telling you, you need to try this because this is gonna give you wonderful, nutritious meal. I'm telling you the truth, you won't regret doing this. Your baby will love this. Your husband will as well love to take it. I'm telling you, don't even allow your house girl to feed your baby with this. He or she is gonna finish all. I tell you, this is yummy and it's one of the best things you can ever try. So this is just one out of many we've posted. If you want to know more about this, don't forget to please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up. Okay, click in the share button and share to your friends. So many people would love to try this. So many people would love to give this a trial. Don't be stingy with this knowledge. Share it to friends, share it to neighbors. If you're a man watching this, please share it to your friends out there. Yeah, because they must get something from this. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back shortly. Bye bye.